Okay, so today we're reviewing the Parrot Swing, which is a vertical takeoff and landing plane. So it basically has dual flight mode, quadcopter or fast plane. It's got a really good little controller in it. But first thing to mention is the fact that it's beautifully packaged. Inside the box are two other boxes. So the Flypad is a really familiar style of controller. With the familiar shoulder buttons as well, and it has a stand for putting your smartphone on, because you can also program and control the Parrot Swing with your smartphone. The Parrot Swing itself is again in the box, and you've got some spare blades in here, which is probably a good idea because ours has been out and it's been through a few trees and a bit of grass. But it's very light, as you'd expect. It's sturdy. It's really nicely made. It has the lights on the front, and then at the back you've got camera, USB, on-off switch underneath, just to make it tricky to find in the first place. Always read the manual. This is the stand for attaching your smartphone to the controller, and it's got a good range of adjustments, so it'll fit most smartphones. Charging is by USB. The controller takes about 2 hours to charge and will last about 6 hours. The Parrot Swing itself takes about half an hour to charge and will last about 7 minutes, less if you're doing exciting things with it. So download the app. Switch on the app, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Switch on your drone, pair the two devices, and then you are ready to roll. Perfect. Right, so it's really easy. So you take off. Whoop.
What?
And then you can go lower, higher. You can go to one side and to the other, towards us and further away, so we can fly off and come back. Cheat by pressing down. Without the phone, so that's the take off and land button, is it? You need to switch it on. There we are. That paired up very quickly, didn't it? Oh! So you find it easy to control? Is it like playing a game on the PlayStation?
Yeah.
Okay, and you are 7.5, but you are very good at PlayStation. Okay, can you bring it towards us a bit? And can you take it to the right? Oh, you're taking it away. Come back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wait, it's still... It's coming back up.
Oh, it's there. A display of aeronautics here. The hover. They're coming at you very quickly and then stopping. It's actually really windy. Oh, that is fast. Oh, and it's in the tree. Look, see how far that is actually. That's quite a way. Not bad.
I do fly it.
Yeah, we are out of batteries quite often. Back for another half hour inside. Okay, so it's auto takeoff, and then you can actually just turn, which is handy. And you can turn it into a plane. Hey, he's kept it up. Well done. So you're not controlling it. It's just trying to avoid crashing into me.
But also,
it's really clever. Oh. attempts to return. It's astoundingly clever. It is so easy to control. It really is fingertip. And yeah, you could almost fly it indoors. It is easily disturbed by wind, but it's very light.
The nice thing is it tries to stay where it's supposed to be when the wind catches it.
Yes, it almost bounces back, doesn't it?
Yeah, whoa! Too windy.
Take off. Oh! Ah! Yeah. Autopilot is quite bizarre.
Take a picture of me doing a foot flip.
Yes, dear. Very good. Oops. Too close to the edge. Got me. So here we have a display of aeronautics. When you're ready. And there it is.